Making money through easy freelance gigs requires identifying in-demand services that match your skills and expertise. Here are some relatively easy freelance gigs you can explore. Content writing. If you have strong writing skills, you can offer content writing services for blog posts, articles, or website copy. Many businesses and websites are in constant need of fresh content. Social media management. If you're savvy with social media, you can manage social media accounts for small businesses or individuals who may not have the time or expertise to handle it themselves. Graphic design. If you have design skills, you can offer graphic design services for creating logos, social media graphics, promotional materials. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative support to entrepreneurs or busy professionals, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry. Transcription. If you have good typing skills and attention to detail, you can offer transcription services, converting audio or video into text. Language translation. If you are fluent in multiple languages, consider offering translation services to individuals or businesses. Voiceover and audio services. If you have a good voice, you can provide voiceover services for commercials, explainer videos, audiobooks, or podcasts. Online tutoring. If you excel in certain subjects, offer online tutoring services to students in need of academic support. Video editing. If you're familiar with video editing software, you can offer video editing services to content creators or businesses. Data entry. Data entry tasks are relatively straightforward and can be a good way to earn money online. Resume writing. Help individuals create compelling resumes and cover letters to improve their job prospects. Proofreading and editing. Offer proofreading and editing services for written content to ensure it is error-free and well-polished. To find freelance gigs, you can join online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or People Per Hour. Create a compelling profile that highlights your skills and experiences. Be proactive in searching for jobs and sending proposals to potential clients. While these gigs can be relatively easy to start, building a reputation and gaining consistent clients may take some time. Deliver high-quality work, communicate effectively with your clients, and provide excellent customer service to increase your chances of success as a freelancer.